National leaders have highlighted how intelligent infrastructure and AI are rebuilding the backbone of the internet, from the cloud to the edge. AI RAN will be one of the most strategic foundations of our time, leading to the refactoring of how we manage spectrum and compute. Intelligent infrastructure will drive our nation's productivity and sovereignty, pushing our GDP past 4%.
You know, technology substitution always follows an S-curve.
Yes. And it is how you get GDP growth. I mean, we could get into, a whole discussion here. It's how you get GDP growth out of this 2 to 4%, band in this discussion we keep getting stuck in. I mean,
everything that moves will be robotic. Every car, every tractor, every excavator, of course.
It began here. The first industrial revolution. Watt's steam engine and the mechanized loom introduced automation and the advent of factories, and industry was born. The age of electricity. Ampere unraveled electromagnetism. Faraday built the first electric generator, and Maxwell laid the foundations for modern electrical engineering. Siemens and Wheatstone's dynamo, the engine of electricity, bringing machines, trains, factories, and cities to life, electrifying the planet, igniting modern manufacturing. And today, born out of the computing and information age, the fourth industrial revolution, the age of AI, reimagining every part of industry. Across the continent, industrial AI is taking hold. From design to engineering, you're blazing new trails toward understanding and reinvention. You brought the physical world into the virtual to plan and optimize the world's modern factories. You're building the next frontier, where everything that moves is robotic. Every car, an intelligent autonomous agent, and a new collaborative workforce to help close the global labor shortage gap. Developers across the continent are building every type of robot, teaching them new skills in digital twin worlds and robot gyms, preparing them to work alongside us in our factories, warehouses, the operating room, and at home. The fourth industrial revolution is here, right where the first began.